Okay, let's review this foldable, multifunction foldable washing machine to see if it's really worth it. So here we go. It comes with a charger, foldable leaflets. I think this is the drain basket. Now this is it. Actually got this from temu. Cover, and then you can see this old right here. All you need to do is to push it up, press it down, drag it, and fully drag it up. Now this is it. Let's fix the cover. Here we go. She mentioned we have the 10-minute standard, 15 minutes soft wash, 2 minutes, and the switch. Now let's go try this, but I'll be trying it with my baby's clothes, just few of it to try and see. Okay, I'm just adding water to it, and then I added my baby's clothes, just a few of it. I added a little bit of detergent to wash, and then I closed it, turn on the switch, just 2-second press, and it comes on. Automatically it's on 10-minute standard washing. I left it open so you'll see how it rotates. It's pretty cool for the price. It's very good. And then it's done washing. I had to take it to the basin to release the water. After which I filled the bag with water just to rinse it up, just for another 10-minute standard wash. And then I'll tell you guys, this cleaned my baby's clothes. Like, it really washes it clean. I got this from temu as a first time customer. I got a whooping discount for $5. Then yeah, I'm just spinning it. Because of the noise, I had to close it. And then if you're not careful, if the clothes is too much, it could just spill out of the basket. So you just need little of it. Thank you for watching. Bye.